What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to find out if you could pick up top tier quality gear at a fraction off MSRP. I just picked up a bundle off the Peak Design website consisting of the 45-liter backpack as a factory second, a small packing cube, and the small camera V2 camera insert. I was able to pick up this bundle for about the same price as I would have just gotten the backpack by itself. This year I plan on doing a lot more traveling with the family, a lot more flying in particular. I like to keep everything light because my family packs a whole lot of stuff. It is worth noting though that a factory second off Peak Designs does not carry their lifetime warranty. So today we're gonna unbox and see if it was worth saving that extra money. Let's find out. Did I make a financial mistake, or is buying factory second a cheat code? My order came with free shipping and it arrived pretty quickly. It was like 3 days coming from, I think, Chicago. And here's the box. This is gonna be my first purchase from Peak Designs, and I've heard great things, I've read great things off the bat. Made in the Philippines. So I'm not sure if that's just cheap labor or the standards of the Philippines, #1. Let's open this up. All right, we got the box open. Let's take a look at what we got. All right, a bunch of bubble wrap. Seems safe. All right, there's our camera cube. Pretty sure that's the packing cube and the backpack. All right, first up is the camera cube. This one is a PD certified. So I picked this up for about $52, a slight discount on here. They advertise it as fairly new, maybe lightly used, but this one looks like, I don't know, it looks brand new to me. It's got everything in here. I have the clips to attach it to the inside of the bag. Peak Design card. When you get the PD certified, it still comes with the full lifetime warranty. I got the insert off the side. The zippers look like they zip up just fine. It's hard to do with one hand. We still got the tag. I don't see any like obvious defects with it. This looks pretty brand new. I can't really tell that it's been worn or not. It's got the insert in here. Everything looks complete. The packing cube. This is one, I mean, it's not too exciting. It's a packing cube. This one I also got as a PD certified. I picked this up for $23.30. Honestly, I think it's overpaying, but I kind of just wanted everything to match. But we'll see if this one is any different than any of my other packing cubes that I currently use. No problems here. All right, now the main portion of the video, the backpack. So it looks like it comes in just, plastic wrap, a bunch of gel silica tabs, and off the bat, I can't really see anything very obvious, but let's take a closer look. So initial inspection, I'm just seeing like a small blemish over here on the right side of the bag. Maybe some stitching that could be questionable, and this little frayed stitch at the top of the bag. I don't even want to say frayed, it's like a little overhang of a thread, and I feel like I could just cut that off if I was really like OCD about it. But let's see, opening it up. Alright, I really can't find much to complain about buying a factory second. So far, like first impressions, everything looks like it functions like as it should. And I think I would say that, oh, okay. So there's some stitching. I feel like it's not supposed to be like that. Okay, so this stitching doesn't look like that. So stitching's not as neat. But for me, honestly, I could care less. That's the only thing that's up with it. Alright, so based off first impressions, I definitely think it's worth buying a factory second straight from Peak Designs. It's definitely a good way to get a good deal on some high quality gear. I'll definitely update you guys as I pack this out, travel with it a couple times, and let you know what I think about it. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to go in depth on any particular piece of gear. Out here at Pass on the Left, we like to mix it up a little bit. Cine, old Toyotas, good vibes. Until then, keep driving those slow cars fast. Pass on the left. Does it look crazy big? I can't tell. Let me do it now. Let me know down in the comments if I look like Hotel Transylvania. Feels so mobile.